As many of you are aware, yesterday the Colorado State Lab confirmed the first variant of COVID-19 in the United States right here in Colorado. Now, to be clear, that doesn't mean that Colorado is the first state that has people with the variant. In fact, it's very likely exists in many states.
That's the governor of Colorado saying his state confirmed the first case of a mutated coronavirus strain, but he is not expecting it to be the last. He's already been proven right with California confirming a case within the last hour. That news out of Colorado is leading Hoosier health officials to look for COVID variants here at home. A new screening process could begin by the end of the week. Fox 59's Bianca Reyes shows us what they're looking for.
The ever-changing coronavirus is proving to be just that. Officials in Colorado are the first in the U.S. to discover a new strain called the B.1.1.7 variant.
Now, to be clear, that doesn't mean that Colorado is the first state that has people with the variant. But I'm very proud that our state lab was the very first to detect that variant.
And local health officials say they won't be the last.
I wouldn't be surprised as we see more and more states reporting in the coming days and weeks.
Shandy Dirth with the Fairbanks School of Public Health says the state health department has the ability to test for this variant. And beginning Friday, 10 randomized samples will be sent to the CDC's National Surveillance Program.
So each state, starting in January, so Friday, every 2 weeks, they will send 10 samples to CDC to look for these variants and some of these mutations. So they're doing additional sequencing at CDC in addition to what can happen at the state health department labs.
It's increased testing for a new mutation officials say mirrors the current virus, but with one exception.
We haven't seen data showing that it's more deadly, but it does look like it can spread easier. And as we've seen with the COVID-19 we've all been living with this year, it's already contagious enough. It's been very hard to contain.
And with the new variants showing a 50 to 70% increased transmission, health officials are assuring the newly developed vaccines are just as effective.
The larger number of people that become vaccinated, the quicker we'll have herd immunity and will control the pandemic.
In Indianapolis, I'm Bianca Reyes, Fox 59 News.
And tonight we've learned the patient who tested positive for the COVID variant is a member of the National Guard who was working at a nursing home. A group that represents long-term care providers says this news shows why they need the coronavirus vaccine as soon as possible. Indiana still seeing